It's a bit noisy.
Love you too.
Yeah, it's noisy.
Greetings, brother Williams. It's encouraging to see this brother. He's in a different city, but I never had a lot of support in that city. But he seems he's on. He likes our ideas, and he has similar ideas. So I think it's actually like the same ideas, but it's just different translation or different language. Yeah, brother William, we were just talking. This is brother Yakubu, and he's from basically the Mali Empire in Nigeria, the Mali tribe in Nigeria, which covers like all West Africa. He's one of our strategic partners. And Prince Yakubu, this is brother William. He's in Atlanta, which is like the...
Yeah, brother Williams, you're welcome.
He's in like the Lagos or the Abuja of USA, Atlanta. So that's like the cultural capital. I don't know if William, I don't know if you could speak. Maybe we could dialogue and create a plan. And I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. I was thinking basketball, stock market, security, real estate, that kind of thing could be put in motion real soon. I just spoke with another brother in Atlanta about stock market. So I'm trying to see. I don't know. Can you speak? Can you hear me, brother William?
Yes, I hear you. I couldn't hear for a moment, so I couldn't hear everything that was said because I'm trying to settle. I'm going back home. My car is real loud, so I'm listening, but I won't be able to respond until I get there, about 10 minutes.
Okay. So in 10 minutes, maybe? Well, I was trying to do some basketball too, work out and train. Yeah, see, President Kuba, I think we're fine in Nigeria. It's just I don't know if
Okay.
I think because if you do if you start, you could cover Borgu, you could cover Bornu, and then eventually Igbo land will come on board.
Yeah.
And when they come on board, it'll be very good. But Nigeria and USA, we just tied together. I was wondering if Brother Williams, maybe he could help with contacting the leaders. I don't know, because I don't know. The brother, James, he says he's retired from training a lot of people. So I don't know. I don't know how we'll get the training. We'll see. I had an offer from somebody to start training, even if it's on WhatsApp. He said he could start training us. That's what I think. But I think there's some disagreement on the marketing strategy. Whereas our marketing strategy is we're gonna see about taking over the churches and putting traditional African culture in them, and using the churches maybe to protect us as we travel, and turning them into just traditional royal centers where everybody learns about their culture that's been demonized. It's just more about being the Black Africa culture and rites of passage. And these churches that they have, the AME African Church, they're in Nigeria, they're in Ghana, so many places where they travel. They just they change their books instead of religion. Because they put a partition Borgu in their books? Can they do that?
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to switch out.
Yeah, my lord. Yeah.
From religion to African books and African wisdom. So that's just it. This is not the bigger group. We'd have more Nigeria on board. I don't know. The people in Baltimore, they're in the group, but I don't think they're going to participate. I can remove them going forward. I don't know. I think if we're doing the stock market, it'll probably just be Nigeria. I think we'd have to call Nigeria and see who we could teach. Yeah. So that's it. And then I think in the future, the more people,
That's it, my lord.
I think in the future maybe I'll start with this one trader who offered us. He's in Atlanta too, and he offered us, and maybe we'll get into. I think they could even get into real estate. Like even if you're in Nigeria, you can own buildings over here in the USA and make money from it, and maybe that will help us travel and do business and get the basketball going and other things like that. I think we're all right. I think we're all right. But in the future,
Yeah, my lord. Yeah.
I think in the future we could work with James, but he says he's retired right now. And that you're right. That thing said 2024, so that's next year. That we can't wait that long. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't even. I thought it was 2023. Even that, it's too long. It's okay. I talked to someone yesterday, and he says he's ready to train us. And he also, that was a different price. He said it was like $20 a week. I don't know what you guys can.
A week.
Yeah, $20 a week. So that's like in Nigeria. I don't think that's what I said.
Yeah, but Lord, I think I already started with the broker yesterday. I sent the link to our groups yesterday. Did you see the links?
Yes, I saw the link. So it sees
It's Stockmarket broker.
yeah, it shows that you know what you're doing a little bit. So as we get going, that's good to think of it as that. You know, we're going to be doing Northwest, Northeast, and Southeast Nigeria to start off as headquarters.
Yeah.
And that's just it. We're going to be doing real estate. And I don't know.
Yeah.
I think we can end this call. I'll just add William to maybe the bigger group. We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Okay, no problem, my lord. I think
let's just end this
yeah,
call.
if we are free, maybe we can have another call later in the night.
Maybe like 10 minutes. He said 10 minutes, so I don't know.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.